Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the MCQ Simplified series videos for Physics Class 12. We have designed this MCQ Simplified series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very basic fundamental level and we will be moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs, we are providing you explanations so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. This is just not a video. This is a mock test. Here with each and every MCQs, we are providing you reasonable time through a timer so that you can put in your thoughts. You can get your option before we take you to the answer. This will be a approximately 20-minute video and we are providing you high quality 10 number MCQs in this. So if you calculate, you will find very high learning quantity to time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video and enjoy the high quality MCQs and take the learning from it. We have already uploaded a number of videos for your class 12 physics. We will provide you the links in the description box so that you can go through them in case you have not already gone through. This video is for cell, EMF and internal resistance under current electricity chapter. Here comes the first MCQ. A cell of EMF E and internal resistance R is connected to a external resistance of capital R. The current in the circuit is I and the cell terminal voltage is capital V. There are 7 relations given between the quantities. You need to find out which relations are true. There may be more than one correct answer. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Very fundamental one. Do it peacefully. If you require, take extra time and come back to the video once you have got your option. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answers are option B, C, F and G. Option B, that is voltage. Terminal voltage will be equal to current multiplied by external resistance. Option C, that is internal resistance plus external resistance multiplied by the current will give you the EMF. So EMF is equal to I into R plus R. Again, option F, that is EMF will be terminal voltage multiplied by the internal drop. E is equal to V plus IR. And last option, V is equal to E minus IR, that is basically option F only, IR change the side. So terminal voltage is basically EMF minus internal drop. So be strong on this relationship. Most of the questions will be based on these relationships. Next MCQ. The internal resistance of a 2.1 volt cell which gives a current of 0.2 ampere through a resistance of 10 ohm, that is through an external resistance of 10 ohm is 4 options for you. 15 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Let's see the calculation. See, we know the relation. E is equal to I into capital R plus small r. You have got all the quantities except small r. Put the values, get the value of small r. That is 0.5 ohm. Next MCQ. The EMF of a cell is 20 volt and internal resistance is 1 ohm. What is the maximum power that can be delivered by the cell to a load, that is by the cell to an external resistance. Four options for you. 15 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is 100 watt. Let's see the calculation also. It's easy. See, maximum power is delivered to an external load when the external resistance and internal resistance, they are equal. That means value of capital R also will be 1 ohm. So you have got the values of both small r and capital R. Find out the current. Current is 10 ampere. So maximum power dissipated, that will be I square R. That is 100 watt. Next MCQ. A set of n equal resistors of value R each are connected first in series to a battery of EMF E and internal resistance R. That means n resistors of value R and also internal resistance is value R. So n resistors are first connected in series across a battery of EMF E. The current drawn is I. Now these n external resistors, now they are put into parallel. So now this parallel combination is connected across the cell of EMF E. So of course current will go up. So the current has gone up, it has become 10I. So the value of n is, you need to calculate the value of n. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Do it peacefully. Try it yourself. If required, take extra time, do your calculation, then come back to the video. Time's up. Hope you got your option. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is value of n is 10. Let's see the calculation. It's easy. See, the current when the resistors are in parallel will be E by R by N plus R, and when the resistors are in series it will be E by NR plus R. So that is E by R by N plus R is 10 times of E by NR plus R. Put the values. E's are getting cancelled, R's are getting cancelled, you are getting an equation of N. Easy equation. N comes out to be 10. The MCQ looks difficult, but when you approach it through your fundamental knowledge, fundamental understanding, you will find it easy. Only thing, you have to peacefully frame the equation and then solve it. Next MCQ. A cell having EMF E and internal resistance R is connected across a variable external resistance R. You need to find out from the 4 graphs below which one correctly represents the variation of V with R. How V is varying with change in R from 0 to infinity or in increased direction. So you need to find out which graph correctly represents variation of V with R. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. See, please remember the relation. See, when the external resistance R is 0, that means terminal voltage also will be 0. That means a case of short circuit. When you have shorted the 2 terminals of the cell, that means entire voltage drop is inside the cell. So external voltage, that will be 0. And when R is infinity, R is very high, then V will be equal to EMF. R is very high, infinity means it's open circuit. Then your terminal voltage will be equal to EMF only. So it's option D. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. Next MCQ. Two cells having same EMF are connected in series through an external resistance R. The cells have internal resistances R1 and R2, where R1 is greater than R2. When the circuit is closed, the potential difference across the first cell is 0. You need to find the value of capital R, that is external resistance. 4 options, 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Again, try it yourself. If required, take extra time. You learn only through trying. If required, take extra time, come back to the video after you have got your answer. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. Let's understand the calculation. Look at the diagram. Let's understand the calculation. See, I is equal to twice E by R1 plus R2 plus capital R. That is the value of I. Now what we have been told, that potential difference across first cell is 0. That means E minus I R1 is equal to 0. So E is equal to I R1. You have got the value of I. Put the value. So E gets cancelled. So you are getting an equation of small r and capital R. From that you find out the value of capital R. So capital R comes out to be R1 minus R2. Next MCQ. You have been given a parallel combination of two cells of different EMF and different internal resistance. Had it been same, it would have been easy, but here the EMFs are different, internal resistance are different. So what will be the equivalent EMF and internal resistance of this parallel combination? 4 options, 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, that is 13.33 volt and 0.67 ohm. Let's understand the calculation. It's a standard formula that you have. You put the values. Equivalent EMF is E1 R1 plus E2 R2 by R1 plus R2. Put the values, get the value of equivalent EMF as 13.33, and again equivalent resistance, your known resistance calculation for parallel resistors, R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So you get the value of equivalent resistance also. It's option C. Next MCQ. Here is a mixed group of cells connected across a set of resistors. So what it says, 5 cells each of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 0.2 ohm are connected in series. Two such series combinations have been connected in parallel, that is the mixed group. This series parallel combination mixed group has been connected to a set of resistances as shown in the diagram. Each resistors are 2 ohm. You need to find out the value of current I. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is 4 ampere. Let's understand the calculation. It's in fact easy. Just have a look. First, you need to handle the mixed group of cells. See, each string, there are 5 cells of 2 volt. That means for the series string, it is 10 volt and 5 into 0.2 ohm, that is 1 ohm. So one series string is 10 volt and 1 ohm. Now two such strings in parallel, that means their equivalent voltage becomes 10 volt, it remains 10 volt, and resistance becomes half, it becomes 0.5. So for the mixed group, it is a single cell of 10 volt and 0.5 ohm. Now you need to handle the resistor set. The resistor is a known combination, known kind of a resistance combination for you. The middle resistor gets cancelled because it's in Wheatstone bridge configuration. So it is basically 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is 4 ohm, 2 number 4 ohm string in parallel, so it will be 2 ohm. All the 5 resistors can be replaced by 1 2 ohm resistance. So now you need to calculate the current. That's easy. So current will be 10 volt by 2 plus 0.5, that is 4 ampere. Next MCQ. Again, mixed group of cells. For what value of external resistance R, the output current for the mixed group of m rows with n cells in each row will be maximum. 4 options for you, 10 seconds, 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. This is a known standard value. You should not take 15 seconds here. This is a known standard value. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. Still, let's have a look how it is coming like that. See, value of current will be NE by NR by M plus capital R. So you simplify it. So it is MNE by NR plus MR. This value of NR plus MR will be minimum if the value of R is NR by M. So answer is option C. Next MCQ, in fact last MCQ of this video. 8 cells, each of EMF 5 volt and internal resistance 0.25 ohm are connected as shown. You need to find out the reading in the ideal voltmeter as connected. 4 options, 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. The MCQ looks difficult, but it's easy. You approach through your fundamental knowledge. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option A, that is 0. Let's understand the calculation also. See, the current, there will be circulating current driven by the 8 cells. They are in series in the same direction. So circulating current will be NE by NR. N gets cancelled, so it becomes E by R, that is 5 by 0.2, that is 25 ampere. Now you need to find out V. So V will be E minus IR, that is 5 minus 25 into 0.2, that is 0. It's easy. Approach it through your fundamental knowledge. Hope you like this MCQ simplified series videos. Apparently difficult looking MCQs have been solved in a very easy way. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with more such videos. Bye bye till then.